Alright guys, just doing a bit of tomato seed saving. These are the Boxer Rebellion. Nice manky one there, ready to go. And I remembered that when I did the tomato taste test with Lianne the other day, I said I'd have a go at making a paste with some of these, and I've got a nice bunch now. I tell you what, I've only got one plant, and this is, what's that, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. We have 2, 8. I've had 12, 13 fruits so far, and it's still flowering. It's only this big, it's only a small little... Anyway, yeah, I'm going to save some seeds, so let me just grab a... Yeah, it's a bit manky, isn't it? Yeah, let's grab a couple of these. Now I'm going to try and do this without, you know, sort of milling them all down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them in half lengthways and see if I can get some seeds out. There we are. Just want to save some seeds for next year, you know. And it gets a bit of the juice out as well, as if it is a paste tomato, a saucy tomato. You know, a little bit better. There we are. Not to go too mad. Let's get the most of them. Get the green stalk out as well. Are they going to peel the skins off then? No. Do the skins later. What are we doing? When you cut them this way, you can sort of see it's a pasty type tomato, can't you? Right, I'll bring you back in a minute. It's going to take a minute, this. Might as well start the cooker going, don't I? You might notice I've got two microphones on, because one of them, the one in this one here, it's always got the red battery light on, even though the software and the receiver on the camera says it's fully charged. So I've contacted Rode. It's out of warranty, but you know, I've put a technical note in, technical request. You know, if you can't trust the LEDs on the transmitter, you know, could be out in the field somewhere with a dead mic. You know, that's why I'm wearing both now, to see if the one with the red LED on packs up halfway through. Which I think it may have done the other day at the allotment, because I lost a lot of audio. But I've scrapped the video anyway because it's rubbish. I tried to do a lot of drone flying over me harvesting. It didn't work. It was alright, but the icing on the cake was the audio didn't work, so yeah. And I wasn't going to try lip sync it. Be like a bad Jackie Chan movie in the old days. I'll tell you what, there's quite a few seeds in there. And I'm not going to save that bit, that's bruised, well bruised. I love this outdoor cooking lark. So much more. Is it, I don't know, relaxed, is that the word? I don't know. I'll show you this in a minute, hang on. I mean, when you look at these tomatoes, they are very thick-walled, aren't they? Thick flesh. Try and get one or two up to hold now. They're very thick, aren't they? Like there. Yeah, so it makes me think they probably are paste tomatoes. Let's get them melted down. Is that the right word? Get them rendered down. Well, there we are. I think that should do. It's quite, yeah, it's quite liquidy now. There's a few hard bits, so I'll give it another minute or two. Right, there we are. That's been 5 minutes. That'll do. Let's get that through a sieve. I missed quite a few seeds there, Steve-o. I think I'll do. Plenty there for our little trial anyway. Yeah, reduce that down to about half, and we'll give it a quick taste test. Oh, need to put some oil in. For this amount, I'm just thinking about a teaspoon of oil. Extra virgin, and just that merest hint of salt. Maybe a quarter of a teaspoon, because there's not much in there, look. Bit too furious, that, Steve. Oh, thickening up already. I think I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Yeah, it's quite thick, and it'll get thicker as it cools down as well. And it's only going to be like a runny passata really for me. So, right, let's put it in the container. Okay, I'll let that cool down 5 or 6 minutes, and come back in a minute and I'll give it a taste. Okay, that's cooled down a bit. Let's have a taste. Remember I said with the raw tomato it was earthy, so let's see how it compares to that. I know it's got a little bit of salt in it, a little bit of oil, but that is totally different. It is sweet now, it's sweet, definitely sweet. Yeah. I'm trying to put it, I don't know if you've tried the Roma tomato, which is the most popular paste sauce tomato. It's nicer than that. Might not be as good as the Britain's breakfast ones, which I've got growing over there, but maybe I'm biased because I do like those. But it is a good sauce tomato. It is almost like, it's almost like tomato juice. You know, the one you have in your Bloody Mary? Oh, dear me. Okay, guys, let's get a lid on that and stick it in the fridge. Got to find the right lid. I've got so many of these different blooming containers. Oh, right first time. And we got some jollop. Let's take that label off there. And put on there Boxer Rebellion sauce, 13th of the 8th, 2025. Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. That is totally different. That is. Yeah, the taste is totally different. Earthy to sweet, and that is, oh, I don't know, what was that? You saw how many tomatoes I used, so. Cool, get on with the seed saving now, which is what I came out here to do in the first place. Catch you soon, guys.